Look at this, metal tube holders busting outside of the parapet condition. Or this, plumbing waste running through the grouped electrical conduits in the crawl space of a building, which has been circled and labeled in cyan for ease of identifying. If necessary, dimensions can be added as well. Here, HVAC ducts are running into metal beams and the roof drains cannot fit either. These bloopers are called clashes. Finding these clashes is called clash detection. These clashes can be illustrated in 3D. They can also be illustrated in clash detection reports calling off the X, Y, and Z coordinates in the BIM file so that the precise location of each clash can be pinpointed, as shown in this PDF file here. Finding and fixing these clashes is called clash or conflict resolution. Once a building has been completely resolved of all conflicts, views are filtered out of each system with dimensions to common reference points such as column grids and finished floors, as shown in this PDF file here. The bloopers you just saw are examples of a couple of real projects. One is a 4-story, 110,000 square foot educational building for a community college, which originally contained over 5,000 clashes. The other project is a 3-story, 145,000 square foot hospital, which originally contained over 6,000 clashes. The Building Information Model, or BIM, was prepared after the architect and engineers of record had completed their working drawings for the projects in 2D CAD. In each instance, these bloopers were found not by the professionals of record, but by the general contractors. ARCHLINE built the BIMs you just saw for the general contractors. We did the models in Revit. We then did the clash detections in Navisworks, and then finally conflict resolutions in Revit. Lots of architects and engineers buy and use Revit. Lots of general contractors buy and use Navisworks. Almost no architects and engineers buy and use Navisworks. Doing BIM after the working drawings have been completed in 2D CAD is an unnecessary redundancy and requires almost as much time to produce as having been produced in CAD working drawings in the first place. This almost doubles the time for documentation before construction can begin. If the working drawings had been done in BIM, as shown here, it would have been much faster and more accurate than 2D CAD, and all of the clash detection and conflict resolution could have been provided by the professionals of record by the time the working drawings were completed. Using clash detection and conflict resolution is the new due diligence demanded of professionals of record. Don't miss out. Call us today at ARCHLINE for a free online demonstration of how we can help you get your projects not just into BIM, but into clash detection and conflict resolution.